Hi, I'm Sir Aldrin. I am going to tackle about the discovery learning in mathematics by Prof. Aurelio Subieto. Let me first discuss the discovery learning. Discovery is finding or uncovering something, and learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitudes, and preferences. Discovery learning by Jerome Bruner. This popular theory encourages learners to build on past experiences and knowledge, use their intuition, imagination, and creativity, and search for new information to discover facts, relations, and new truths. The discovery learning educational session should be well designed, highly experiential, and interactive. Instructors should be able to use stories, games, visual aids, and other attention-grabbing techniques that will build curiosity and interest, and lead learners in the new ways of thinking, acting, and reflecting. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of numbers, shape, and patterns. Aha! Did you know this reaction? Sometimes, we use this reaction if we learned a new piece of knowledge because we discovered something on our own. According to learning theorist J. Bruner, discovery learning allows the student to draw on existing knowledge in order to solve the problem at hand. They have a lot of benefits in learning through discovery. Number 1 is engagement. Children are inherently curious. They learn through their experiences solving mathematical operations by drawing on previous knowledge. As you advance toward the teaching more complex mathematical material, engage your student in math talks. Instead of solving equation on the board and giving students the answer, have them talk through their process as they solve mathematical operations. Number 2 is motivation. When your students are engaged, they become motivated to learn. A curiosity and motivation for math develops through the hands-on discovery method of learning. When engaging in math talks, focus on thought process instead on the right answer. Encouraging students to share their ideas about mathematics requires your support as a teacher. And while your awesome teachers are supporting your students in math motivation, why not inspire them in some stories of great achievements that have come from mathematics? Number 3 is independence. Discovery learning promotes autonomy and independence. As your students actively engage in math and progress through the curriculum, they are doing so at their own pace. Even when working in groups or engaging in math talks, the student must first think independently and creatively to engage in problem solving. Number 4 is retention. Discovery learning emphasizes the importance of problem solving over the mere memorization of facts. Learning through the discovery allows students to see how number composition works and gives them the fluidity they need to master basic mathematics. The number 5 is lifelong results. Learning through discovery isn't about your students absorbing what is said or read to them. But why is discovery learning important? Discovery learning promotes autonomy and independence as your students actively engage in math and progress through the curriculum. They are doing so at their own pace. The autonomy of discovery learning allows your students to progress only when ready. This keeps them further engaged as well as encouraged. Remember this because discovery learning is very important, especially to us teachers.